What's going on, guys? So no, this is not the last time you're going to see the truck with the 22x12s and the Aturos, but I am impatient. I want to see what they look like, what they ride like. So we're going to throw them on. Not one final look, but I did want to give a quick look before we go swap them, just a little before and after, because we're going to be getting away from the black wheels for the moment and no offset. I'm really curious. I haven't had any tires on the stock aside from the tractor tires, which were super skinny, so I'm curious to see how the stock wheels and the bigger tires look on here, as far as like if they come out to the fenders. If they come out to the edge, like where they're at least close to being flush, I'll be happy with it. I don't even really think I needed to give y'all a last look, because it's been like this for literally 2 years. Y'all know what it looks like. Let's go ahead and pull the truck in, slap the other ones on, see how we feel about it. Love it, hate it, indecisive. Let's do it. By the way, let's take a moment to appreciate how much I cleaned the freaking basement up the other day. It's pretty insane. Also, I guess I need to pull these out because I'm doing a little side by side. We got double the 18s going on right now. So I officially have two identical sets of 18-inch stock wheels. I was wanting just wheels because I still have my factory tires over there that came on the truck, and they have like 1,000 miles on them. As you can see, like literally brand new. And I did not want to go through the hassle of having to unmount these and then put those on there just to get these remounted, because I know for a fact I'm going to put these on Larry and do some more fun content with them. Good Lord, that is a big mama horsefly. Oh, we about to get that thing. We about to yak it. Oh, let's go. You okay? You okay? No? Okay, good. The Aturos might be just a tiny bit taller, just a tiny bit, but I haven't put air in this one yet either, so that, that might affect it a little bit. I just fell and died over Dallas. Thank you, that is mine. Thank you for that. All right, guys, just got to unmount the wheels and tires. I'm gonna pull this thing outside, give it a good wash, and I'll catch up with y'all tomorrow. Well, as you can see, we're cruising down the road on the new setup, and if you can hear, they're pretty quiet. They're definitely much quieter than the Aturos. Obviously, this isn't an aggressive mud tire. It's nice to have a little bit of peace and quiet in here for once, but they ride pretty daggum good. So not perfect, obviously. They are used. I don't know when's the last time they got balanced. My truck hasn't had an alignment on it in quite a while, which the alignment appears to be good. It rides straight. It doesn't drag to one side or the other, but it's not like extreme buttery smooth. It's not like I can't feel anything through the steering wheel or anything like that. I just saw Lauren. She was asking her what she thought about it. She's like, yeah, it looks all right. But she was basically just said, it's pretty basic stock wheels, a little bit bigger tires. So, rip me, right? Anyways, y'all haven't seen it. Let's go ahead and jump to a little bit of a wheel and tire review. Don't know where we're going to do it at, but see if we can do a cool little B-roll shots or something. Alright guys, well there it is. Comment down below, let me know what you think. Definitely not nearly as good as the offset, but I think it's a really clean look. I mean, it's nice to not have black wheels in this thing for a change. I like swapping it up, and you just see so much. The wheels just pop when they're not black. When they're black, they get hidden. And so when you got the machined or you got chrome, it just kind of adds a whole nother level to the wheel, to the truck. And so I'm digging it. I think with some true 35s, I think it would look really good, and they'd stick out. It's pretty flush, the factory wheels, they're sucked in pretty good, but these tires do come out about flush with the fenders, so it's not the worst. They're tucked just a little bit, but it's not amazing. Could be better, but for this deal, this package, I'm pretty excited for it. I think it looks pretty good. The white wall, or not the white wall, the white lettering on the white truck, I think looks pretty cool. I don't know what it looks like rolling down the road. It might look cool because it's probably like a white line. But yeah, the Cooper Discovery AT3 XLT, and that's a 285/65/18. pretty sweet. I mean, I'm digging it. It's definitely fully functional. I can turn completely 100% lock to lock. No issues, no rubbing. They ride pretty good. So far they are riding pretty good, and they're definitely a really quiet tire compared to what I'm used to. And so I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying it. Thank you. Wow. Oh, got the 6.2. Okay, I see you.